guys, what's up? It's Kat. Welcome back to my channel. Today's a very exciting day. I have my hands on the brand new Google Pixel 9. Let's get to unboxing and customizing it so I can show you my minimalistic but aesthetic layout. This is also my first Google Pixel device, so I'm very excited to see how it goes. Let's get into it. As you guys can tell, I love everything pink, so this phone is very exciting for me. As I said before, it's my first Google Pixel, so it took a little bit of time to customize it and arrange things how I like. I already love the look and feel of this phone. It fits perfectly in my hand. Not too small, but not too large that it's a little heavy for me. Something I have to get used to is the camera bump for sure, but I'm sure if I had a case on it, it wouldn't be coming out so much. Let's get into what I have on my new phone. This is my lock screen, and I was excited to customize it completely different to what I'm used to on my iPhone. There's so many different options for your lock screen, and I feel like I will be switching them up very often. This is another really cute one. When you first unlock my phone, this is what you see right away. So I put this cute hibiscus flower in the middle. I feel like the home screen, lock screen needs to match the gorgeous peony pink. Actually, now thinking of it, it would have been smart to put a peony here in the middle. But as always, I found this home screen on Pinterest. I'll put my Pinterest down below so you guys can check it out. So I first used an app, Widget, to create this flip clock, and my most used apps are all gonna be at the bottom. So I have my Spotify, of course, then I have my photos, my WhatsApp, and my Notion. So my Notion is something I use multiple times throughout the day. My inner thoughts and everything is laid out here. Then I have my mail app right here on the bottom left, and then the Insta app. So here's my Instagram. The camera is also something I'm gonna be testing this week, from macro photography to nighttime and everything in between. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly how I feel about it after this week. So Gemini is also something I'm really excited to try out this week because there's so many new features. You can actually talk to Gemini in a regular conversation. You can interrupt, cut it off, and talk to it fluidly. So that's super exciting. I feel like I'm gonna force myself to utilize it to see what I like, what I dislike, and tell you guys if it's actually worth it to use. So that is everything on my first page. Now swiping over, we have YouTube, of course. I use YouTube so much and I love like just having YouTube playing. So then we have our calendar, and then TikTok, of course. And then I have a little game section. So I just downloaded Genshin Impact. I'm gonna try playing that. This is a Marvel Puzzle Quest. These are like on the top of the Play Store, so I just download them. But I also want to find some chill games that I could play before I go to bed, like Stardew Valley vibes, because I want to see what gaming is like on this device. And then this folder, we have a few widget apps. So I have Aesthetic Kit and Widget. Then I have the Play Store app and Kindle. I always bring my Kindle with me everywhere, but sometimes I don't if my purse is too small. So I'm gonna try to read a little on this device too. I'm currently reading The 5-Star Weekend by Ellen Hildebrand. The last book I read was by the same author, called Hotel Nantucket, and I was obsessed. I read it in like 2 days. Then we have Disney Plus. I always love to watch Desperate Housewives randomly, so we just have those apps. Then I have my Drive app, so where I upload a lot of my footage if I'm filming. So I'm actually gonna be vlogging on this phone, checking out the footage, letting you guys know if this is a good vlogging device. Then we have Pinterest, of course. That's where I found this background and cute little photos. Then on the bottom, I have my translate. I was just in Croatia, so I have it set to Croatian, and I want to be able to know more complex terms. So I have that there. So whenever I think of something that I don't know the word in Croatian, I am determined to remember it. On the next page, I have my Google Calendar. Here, I'm always looking at my next travel plans, you know, putting in random things in my calendar at all times. So that needs to be on my home screen no matter what. Then on the bottom left, I have my little widget for Notion. This is where I have like random things like wear my retainer that night or go to the gym. Things that are just sitting inside my head, I like to jot them in my Notion. Then we have a cute little picture. This is from the Widget app too. So we have my cute little Cinderella, and I really like how I can make the photo in like this cool little shape. I was just at D23 last week. So you guys will see that video uploaded on my channel. I'll put it right up here. I had the most fun week ever, and I also brought my mom with me. That was really amazing. So I have my little Cinderella there to remind me of that amazing week I just had. I'm really excited to test out this device for you guys. I learned so much about it at the Made by Google event last week in Mountain View, California. I'm gonna tell you guys all my thoughts of this device, what I like, what should improve, and if I will continue using it. I also want to say thank you guys so much for 100K. Here's my plaque right behind me. I appreciate your guys' support all the time. It really puts a smile on my face reading your guys' comments and love. So thank you so much. I love you guys too. I'm going to be doing an 100K giveaway, but I don't know what I should give away. So comment down below what you guys think, and I'm really excited to gift you guys something that you love and will use. I have so many more videos coming out, and I can't wait to chat with you guys more. So bye.